In this tutorial, I will show you how to publish your Shopify store. First of all, open Shopify, and after that click on the online store from here. And after that click on the preferences on the last option. And after that from here you need to insert your home page title, because this is will show up in the Google search when someone search for stores. For example, I will name it my store name, and after that insert the description, short description right here, and scroll down all the way to the end, and you will find out your Shopify store is protected with password, and you need to disable it in order to publish it. I will disable from here in check mark, and after that tap on save on the right top corner, and now our store is visible to everyone. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.